Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Subaru Forester versus Tiguan. Let's dive into their performance. The Forester comes standard with a 2.5-liter engine, delivering 182 horsepower, and its symmetrical all-wheel drive is a key feature. The Tiguan, on the other hand, boasts a 2.0-liter turbocharged engine, providing 184 horsepower. Both offer capable driving experiences, but their power delivery feels distinct. Moving inside, both SUVs prioritize comfort, but with different approaches. The Forester offers a more expansive passenger volume, providing 111.6 cubic feet, which translates to a very open feel. The Tiguan, while comfortable, has 101.1 cubic feet of passenger volume. When it comes to cargo, the Forester leads with 28.9 cubic feet behind the second row, making it excellent for hauling gear. Safety is paramount for both the Forester and Tiguan, with both consistently earning high marks in crash tests. Each comes equipped with comprehensive driver assist technologies, including features like automatic emergency braking and lane keeping assist, providing peace of mind. Their infotainment systems offer various screen sizes, typically ranging from 6.5 to 9.2 inches, ensuring connectivity and entertainment on the go. Finally, let's consider value. Both the Forester and Tiguan offer competitive fuel economy, making them economical choices for daily driving. Their starting prices are quite similar, typically hovering around $27,000, offering great value for their respective segments. Ultimately, your choice depends on priorities like standard all-wheel drive versus a turbocharged engine. Don't forget to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.